Hey guys, what's up? And welcome back to Beauty by Faye. My name is Fewani and today I am pretty pumped because today is my birthday.
Happy birthday, Mommy.
Thank you, sweetie. And I have my little munchkin here with me.
And I'm doing a birthday makeup.
And she's also doing a birthday makeup.
Yeah.
Go shawty, it's your birthday. We're gonna party like it's your birthday.
Let's dance.
Yeah, it's my birthday. Alright guys, so today I am going to do a get ready with me for my birthday. Even though there's a pandemic going on outside and we cannot go out, I am still going to get my ready so that I can look good for my birthday.
Your birthday.
Right? Yes. So, do you know the saying that if you stay ready, you ain't gotta get ready? So that's what I'm doing. Make sure you stick around to the end of my video so you can hear the motivational quote of the day. I've already done my brows and I am going to be doing my eyes with the James Charles palette from Murphy. And I'm just going to be picking all the colors that I like the most. Well, I like red, but I'm not picking that today. But I'm going to pick some of my favorite colors to splash on my eyes. I am going to be using this Becca concealer as the eyeshadow base. And this is in the shade Linen. And I like Becca concealers because they are so sticky, in my opinion. They never dry completely down. By the way, I am using this awesome mirror that I got from my daughter for her birthday. Oh my gosh, love it so much. Anyways, I'm going to be using this concealer brush from e.l.f. to blend out the concealer onto my lids. So the first shade I'm going to go into is this pink right here at the bottom. I'm going to kind of sweep it onto my lids because most of this look is going to be pink. Okay, so now I'm going to go into this lighter pink and I'm going to see how much I can blend out the top of this pink with that lighter pink so that I can just diffuse the pink because it's very harsh right now. So the next color I'm going to be using is this blue right here. And I'm using this tiny blending brush from Murphy. And I'm just gonna place the blue right next to this pink. And I'm just gonna blend it out. So now I am going to add a little bit of yellow to this look, and I'm going to be using this yellow right at the corner here, close to the inner tear duct right here. And I'm going to blend the pink a little bit with the yellow. I think I'm going to hold off a little bit on this yellow just to see if I can find a way to pop it a little bit more. So I'm going to do the same for the second eye. Alright guys, so now I'm almost finished with my eyes. I'm going to add some primer to my face, and I'm using the e.l.f. oil control setting spray. And as I said before, I don't like to put it on my face directly. I like to spritz it in my hands and press it into my skin. So I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place foundation, and this foundation is called I Am Magic Velvet Matte Foundation, and this is the shade Savannah. And I'm going to be using my Real Techniques foundation brush. What I like to do is put a dab of foundation onto the back of my hands like that, and then I apply it onto my face. Somehow I got a call and I forgot to start my video back, but it's okay because I'm not even halfway done yet with my face. So what I'm using is this brush from Sephora. This is a concealer brush, and this is their own brand, and I'm blending out this Becca concealer underneath my eyes. And I'm going to just blend out the concealer between the nose of my bridge and up towards my forehead. We say forehead back home. Oh my gosh, you can take the girl out of Vinci, but you can't take the Vinci out of the girl. Okay, and I'm just gonna blend this down on the top of my nose and kind of blend it to the sides of my nose, but I'm looking for the most coverage on the top of my nose because I'm going to go over this with a little bit of foundation if I feel like I don't have enough coverage. But right now I am feeling like I have enough coverage, but all the spots that I didn't get covered, that I didn't cover with my foundation, I am going to cover it. I'm going to go ahead and do it with my sharp. I'm just talking to okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and start contouring my face, and I'm not gonna do too much, just little strokes. Went a little bit more heavy than I wanted. So I applied a little bit of the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in my T-zone, and I'm just using this Real Techniques brush to blend it out. So now I'm going to blend out this contour, and I'm using the same beauty blender. Did I say beauty blender before? When I said I'm using the same Real Techniques beauty blender that I did to blend out my concealer. So now I'm going to set my face using this e.l.f. setting powder, and it's called Beauty Shield. And I'm going to just add a little bit in the cover, and I'm just going to just run it underneath my eyes first, and then I'm going to just add a little bit to bake. Now I am going to bronze up my face, and I'm going to be using this Pure bronzer, so huge, and I'm just going to set my contour with this. See, this setting powder, it kind of melts into the skin. Like, I like it for that, and it keeps you matte. I've not have it for a long time, but I like what it does. Look at that. It just melts. It just melts into the skin. I hardly have to do any work to get this setting powder off, and just distribute the rest onto the rest of my face. And then I am going to be adding a little bit of the pink to my lower lash line. So for blush, I'm going to be using this Zulu eyeshadow palette from Juvia's Place, and I'm using the Real Technique brush to apply my to apply my blush. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and finish up this look off camera, and I will be back to show you the final result. And stick around because I'm going to show you my birthday outfit. Alright guys, so I am back. I still look like shit, right? Let me fix this real quick. Okay, so I'm going to use a little bit of this same Eco Styling Gel, and I'm just gonna create some baby hairs on my wig. And this wig was made by me. If you guys would like to see how I make wigs one of these days, I will show you guys in one of my videos, okay? Bam! There you have it. So this is my birthday look. So it's time for the motivational quote of the day. Drum roll. Boo, boo, boo. All right, so the motivational quote of the day today is: stop worrying about what you don't have and be thankful for what you do have. I'm not saying that you should stay stagnant and be comfortable in whatever situation that you are in right now. But there is a lot of people out there that's going through a whole lot more than us right now, and we should be thankful for what we do have right now. All right? And try to improve ourselves. Don't, if you waste all your energy on worrying about what you don't have, you don't leave any room for improvement. You always try to improve yourself and stop worrying about what you don't have. So guys, stay tuned. I'm going to show you my outfit that I picked out to just chill in my house for my birthday. It's nothing special, but it's cute. Birthday cake. It has my name on it. And a crown, because you know we all are queens. Say
I'm
hi.
I'm not really a princess, but I am the crown on the cake.
And that's my hubby, my husband. Alright guys, so I have already have some dinner. I'm going to enjoy my cake. If you have made it to the end of this video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And I will see you guys in my next video. Stay fabulous. Bye. Go shorty, it's your birthday. We're gonna party like it's your birthday.